Hello Hungry Fam and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to share 4 PCOD PCOS friendly juices which I'm sure will aid in improving your hormones. Before starting the video, like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. It means a lot. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at The Hunger Plants. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. Starting off with the most powerful juice for all my PCOD girlies out there. This pineapple and orange juice regulates your periods and balances all your hormones. Here I'm using one big pineapple. ये मैंने भैया से ही छील के लिया था. Just cut into cubes. Pineapple contains bromelain which reduces inflammation. Now take one orange and remove its skin. Orange, as you all know, is rich in vitamin C and it helps in reducing cortisol. That is the main stress hormone. Juice बनाने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? Blender में या mixer में इसको blend कर देते हैं. What it does is just destroys enzymes and oxidation increases, which is obviously not good for our body. So I'm using my Agaro Regal Slow Juicer. It comes with all these attachments of 2 jars, juicing bowl, auger, feeder chute and cleaning brushes. The assembly is super simple. Take this juicer bowl, place the spiral auger, match the lock of the feeder chute and place it over the main machine. Twist and lock it. Now add the fruits. It has 1.3 liters capacity and the width is 5.3 inches. तो आराम से large fruits can fit in. ज़्यादा छोटा कट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Now close the lid and just press the on button. Agaro Regal Slow Juicer is powered by durable 250 watts DC motor. It ensures reliable, smooth operation and consistent results even during long juicing sessions. Its convenient one-touch button with on, off and reverse modes makes juicing fruits simple and stress-free. The 65 RPM slow juicer reduces heat and oxidation so the vitamins and enzymes stay intact. The advanced cold press 7-stage extraction cuts, crushes and presses perfectly for maximum juice yield. Just look at that luxurious juice. It's very satisfying also to watch the entire process. So I got 1.5 liters of juice with only this much waste, which is perfect. The juice is thick, not bitter at all, naturally sweet, very tasty and very healthy. Our second juice is called ABC juice, which simply means apple, beetroot and carrot. Literally ABC. It's best for my girls with acne or who feel tired all the time. Apple is rich in fiber and antioxidants, helps improve insulin resistance, which is my main cause to have PCOD. Beetroot improves blood circulation and supports liver detox, and carrot contains beta-carotene, which again regulates excess estrogen. Now just cut all the veggies and fruits randomly and add it into the juicer and सारा काम juicer कर लेगा. If you feel the words I'm using are too heavy or you feel very confused कि PCOD क्या है, क्यों होता है, just comment below. I would try my best to simplify and explain. The inbuilt stainless steel filter of 0.7 mm and 0.3 mm reduces clogging and ensures fine filtration. So your juice is extremely smooth and the color of the juice is very vibrant. This juice also improves hormones, reduces acne and gives a natural glow. Now on to the third juice, which is literally a magical potion since it's best for insulin resistance and weight management. Karela, that is bitter gourd, naturally lowers blood sugar levels so your insulin resistance is managed. Amla boosts metabolism and improves ovarian functions. Cucumber hydrates and reduces water retention. Ginger reduces inflammation and helps in weight management. Lemon detoxifies and improves digestion. Add all the ingredients in the feeder chute and your juice is ready within minutes. The spiral auger design is perfect for cutting, squeezing, extracting and grinding fruits and vegetables. Here you get 30% more yield. This juice is very concentrated, so just take a shot, that is 60 ml of it, or add water and juice जैसे पी लो. I recommend taking a shot since it's slightly bitter but very effective. It also reduces acne and facial hair. Now our last juice is very important for fertility, glowing skin and iron support. Pomegranate is a superfood for all my girlies. It supports uterine health, improves blood flow to reproductive organs. Apple aids gut health. oranges boost collagen and reduces oxidation. And ginger is again very useful for weight management. Add all the ingredients and your 7-stage cold press extraction will do all the magic. Usually blender में pomegranate we make that becomes very bitter and color भी काफी dull आता है. That's not in this case. Here we get maximum nutrients, and here all my 4 PCOD juices are ready. Try adding the juices once a week and stay consistent. Hope you like this informative video. Let me know what else you want to see on the channel and comment which juice you're going to try out first. Today's shout out goes to Varshit and Steve Star. To get a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook at @HungerPlans, and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.